Toys?
Yeah, he wants to play. Can you grab a toy? Well, he's going around the back to get it, John. Oh. Got one, Jed. Got one. Always time for fun, huh, buddy? Did he lose it?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Look at him hopping in there. Come on, bud. Oh, God. That is too cute. Go get Johnny. Hurry up. Look, he wants to bring it in the house. Oh, my God. I don't blame you, bud. It's freezing. Okay.